My people in Jamaica, good night. I've been very quiet throughout this hurricane saga because, me not gonna lie, anything we call hurricane makes me anxious. I've lived through Hurricane Gilbert and it was so traumatic. I'm still traumatized by that hurricane. But my people, I'm praying for you people in Jamaica. My heart heavy like a lead when me watch some of them video, especially the one them done at St. Elizabeth. But my people, you know say we are going to build back. We did it before and we can do it again. We little but we talawa. My people, let's be our brother's keeper. I'm urging everybody who's able to remember the elderly. Check on Brother Clive, Brother Clyde, Sister Paulette, Sister Meikle, all of them. We uno know in our district we live far up in a way. If you reach them, the people, the house, it's hard to reach up there. All the little road, the little track we used to go up there now, you can't even see no track because all of the tree them blow down. But me a beg you, check in upon them. You know them the kind of people in our district. I'm going to continue praying for Jamaica and my prayers that God will restore. And I know He will. He always does. There's various initiatives where people can donate. I know in Toronto, the Jamaican Canadian diaspora is having a concert sometime in November in JCA. And I will post on my story as I get more update. And my people in Canada, even if you can't come at the concert, I beg you to donate something. I also noticed that there's another website on the Jamaican government website where we can donate. My people, we have to come together. It no matter, even if you have a little bit, donate me, I beg you. My granny always say every mickle make a muckle. And let me just take this opportunity to address them entitled tourists. I see some video go around, or they are complain about you not have this for eat and you not have that for eat. I want me to so entitled. You are a set of entitled wretches. Why me can never galang back on a yard? You did know say hurricane a come. Instead, you they there complain. Do you guys ever stop to think for a moment that the very people that are serving you have left their homes, have left their families, and they have no idea if their families are alive? They they don't even know the status of their homes, whether their homes have been submerged underwater. Them don't know where going. I don't know that they have the nerve of raising a voice and abuse these people verbally. Uno not easy, you know. Let me tell you something. Uno take on a bad behavior and go sink it behind you, you hear? And to my people in the hospitality industry, I salute you guys. You guys are doing a great job. Because during a time like this, for you out there, and I do your job, enough love and respect. My people, we are going to get there. Let's just band together and be our brother's keeper, and we will get there. We will get there. One Jamaica. As always, Mama Selva, praying for my little Jamaica.